The making of my advent calendar continues. I've turned these little jam jars into this cute little gingerbread man and this cute little gingerbread house. And on this video, I'm gonna turn this little jam jar into this little snowman to make my fake bake advent calendar. Oh my God. Let's find out how I made it. Yeah, I can't believe it's already time for design number 3. Oh my God, it's going really well. I'm really pleased with the previous designs. I made the gingerbread man and then I made the little gingerbread house. Oh, I am really, really pleased and I hope you like them and enjoying in the videos. But on this video, the third design is going to be a snowman, but not any snowman, like a marshmallow snowman, because the shape of the jars, it gives me the idea of like a marshmallow. Look at that. Yes, looks like a marshmallow. Well, at least it does to me. And obviously it goes without saying that the jars are all ready to go and ready to be decorated. They have been primed, and also I know the gesso is white, but I still gave it like a coat of white on top of, just to make it nicer, I think. Well, I don't know, nicer, whatever. But let me show you the design. So this is what I'm planning to do, and hopefully it's gonna be cuter than this. It didn't come out the way I wanted it, but I hope it's gonna be okay. So the jar is gonna be painted white, and then this is gonna be the drips, and I'm gonna make them with the foam clay, and I'm gonna make them chocolate color, and then the top bit is gonna be pure solid foam clay, white foam clay, and I'm gonna use orange foam clay for the nose, and the eyes and the mouth I'm gonna use the black foam clay, and I'm gonna cut it in little tiny pieces and then stick it on. And the arms I'm gonna use twigs. So let me show you the materials. So this time on the jar, on the lid of the jar, I don't need to do anything, because it's gonna be pure foam clay on top of it, like shaped like a marshmallow. So it's going to be just the jar and the lid. We don't need the semi-wooden spheres. What we will need though is chocolate color foam clay. Ooh, because you can make it as I showed on the previous video where I made the gingerbread houses, or you can color with acrylic, but foam clay being white, I'm not sure how the color is gonna turn up, because I haven't tried it yet, but I've seen that being done. So, and also because it's water-based, basically, yeah, you can use the acrylic, and I'm not sure how dry it's gonna get, but if it gets really dry, clear PVA glue, that will help you make it really soft. So we're gonna do the drips with this, and yeah, we're gonna be using white foam clay to make the top bit as if it's a marshmallow. I'm gonna use, because I still got loads of foam clay, so I'm gonna be doing solid, basically foam clay marshmallow. But you can put, if you don't have a lot of foam clay, or even if you want to use your recycle some bits that you've got at home, you can create like a little bowl or a little shape and then cover it with the foam clay. It's still gonna work as perfect as. In this video, we're not gonna do any piping, and I'm gonna use some sticks to do the little arms poking out, toned down with some caramel foam clay, just to give it a little bit, because it's a bit too bright, this orange. So I'm going to make it a little bit more earthy. But yeah, I think I put too much brown now. Yeah, it's getting a little bit better. It's more earthy. I might still need to add a little bit more orange, because I've overdone it. No surprise there. And then to help me shape the marshmallow, an acrylic block. These are brilliant. It's just so that you don't leave fingerprints on the foam clay, and it rolls really, really nicely, and it helps you to shape it really, really nicely, as you probably seen on my previous 2 videos. Just to do all of the drips, that is what I've used to just squash it down and just give it like a nice shape, because otherwise it just all goes wrong. And don't forget to put cling film or a sheet or something to protect the jar from the foam clay, because the foam clay sticks to everything and then you're going to get stuck and not being able to open it. So you're going to put it like that, and then the lid goes on top and you can decorate it, and once it's dry, take it off and job done. So cool. We were discussing with Abby whether the snowman actually needs the buttons or not. And then we came out with an idea. So I'm going to decorate them using this little tiny button. Oh, I'm only going to do one. Oh, look at this. Can you see it? How cute is this? Tiny, tiny, tiny. Oh, it's adorable. And it says, handmade with love. So cute. And it's perfect. Look at that size. Look at this. Ta-da! Hopefully you can see it. It's going to be extremely adorable. Ooh, running away. Ta-da! Perfect! Now I've gone through everything. It's time to get on with it. I'll see you in a bit. Yay, design number 3 is now ready. Oh, my little snowman. Oh, they're ready. They're all nice and dry now. And I think the addition of the button was like, yeah, I think he needed it. He needed to get, I don't know, that cuteness, additional cuteness. So there we go. What do you think? Do you like it? I can't believe we're already at design number 3. One more to go and then it's time for the frame. I hope you followed all the other videos as well. So far we've made obviously the snowman on this video, and then I made the gingerbread house on the previous video, and before that all the gingerbread men. And you can check them all out, as there's a playlist about the advent calendar, and the link is going to be in the description. And I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and I really hope you're checking the other videos out, and that these are gonna inspire you to create your own advent calendar and just make fake bakes. I've got more jars, so I've got to go and make more fake bakes with them. I cannot wait. But if you have enjoyed this video, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps my channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell? Because then you can receive the notifications on when the next videos are out. Not long now, not long. But thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.